Fostec is a fiber optic solution provider founded in 2001. Fostec provides optical products for various industry, including defense area. Fostec tactical fiber optic cable assembly is optimized for harsh environment and easy to use. Fostec tactical fiber optic cable assembly is excellent mechanical properties and chemical resistance. Specifications. Especially optical characteristics is excellent. Mechanical and environmental properties are stable. Applications. Fostec tactical fiber optic cable assembly can be applied for various military solutions in plant area such as oil, gas, and mining. Seafoc is a specialized connector designed for fiber optic-based data transmission in underwater environments. It is used in various marine-related applications, such as ocean exploration, military operations, subsea communications, and marine structure interconnections. These connectors are engineered to withstand harsh conditions in underweight IR environments, including pressure, moisture, salinity, and physical stress. Seafoc is excellent mechanical properties and chemical resistance. Especially optical characteristics is excellent. Mechanical and environmental properties are stable. Seafoc can be applied for military and defense, offshore oil and gas industry, cruise ships, marine research, especially deep sea application. Fssc is a special type connector used to reliable and high-performance optical communication links between sea and onshore facilities. This connector is designed to withstand the harsh marine environment, including corrosive seawater, temperatures, and other external impact, while ensuring integrity and efficiency of the optical signal transmission. Fssc is excellent mechanical properties and chemical resistance. Especially optical characteristics is excellent. Mechanical and environmental properties are stable.